How to fix if your Android device is not charging. Now in this case, you need to figure out what is causing the problem. First of all, try to check if your port has anything in it, for example dust and any other particles. Just simply clean it with a soft brush or something like that, and after that check if your charger is working properly. Try connecting to other charger if you have any. If you don't have other charger than the one that you have, you can try using that charger to connect to other device. If that charger charges the other devices that you have, then you have some problem in your phone's port. If it doesn't charges the other devices that you have, then your charger might be the problem. Then you would like to fix either your phone or charger by going into the nearest service provider. Then they will fix your issue and your phone will be charged again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.